Well, the teardown continues. We've got nothing poking through the block,
which means
windage tray's good.
Blew up.
So,
Blew up,
and the engine turns over very easy. So if it is a thrust, then we caught it very quick. So I don't understand the knocking noise yet. That's yet to reveal itself, but he's going to keep going and taking this thing apart. We did see some sludge in the oil pan. I'm kind of confused. I think that might have something to do with the E85 and all the time it ran with no crank signal. It might have washed a few cylinders down and might have sent a bunch of fuel down to the pan.
I don't see any metal in the pickup.
There wasn't no real signs of a lot of metal. It doesn't take a lot of metal to kill an engine, but I mean, I didn't see a whole lot. So hopefully we'll get this thing apart and it won't be that bad. We're still going to change the cranks out once they get the other one polished, just for safety measure on the crank signal. And then we'll start putting it back together.